Hey guys!
We're back with another video.
Today I'm going to take you guys with me to go to the thrift shop. I'm going to drop off some clothes. Whatever they don't take, I'm going to try on for you guys. Stay tuned for that new video.
My shirt, what she need? I'ma need my shirt back.
Just left Plato's Closet. I sold about like 5 or 6 items. I got $20 back, so that was cool. Right now we're driving to get gas, and then, which I'm in the wrong lane, and then we are going to my chiropractor. Guys, we're at the pet store right now. This is a ball python. See what else? Oh, it's right there. I love it. Where's the head at? It's right there. So tiny. I am currently on this machine. Feels so good. It's like, yeah, there's like a ball in the middle that like goes up and down. Hey guys, I'm back home. Make sure if you guys are gonna bring your clothes there that you cut the tag off right here where it says RN number, because that's the number that they look up to see if it's like in style or if it's old, and they probably want to go based off of something that's in style because they want to sell like newer stuff. And I did it once and it actually helped me a lot, because the first time they bought probably nothing, and then a few times after I did it again and I started getting a lot more money because they can't search up a code, so they do it based off of how it looks, or the season too. If it's cold out, they're probably gonna want to look for more sweaters and stuff because that's what people are gonna go buy. If you want to, go look up on Plato's Closet's website and they'll tell you all of the stores that they're looking for. So say if it's like Brandy Melville, or if it's Nike or Victoria's Secret, like they have certain sections that they want to resell those clothes. It's Brandy Melville, but they didn't take it. They're not gonna always take all the name brand stuff. And another thing, if you have or if you haven't, if you bring stuff to Plato's Closet, if you do bring it in a bin, make sure that you refold all of your clothes if you want to take them to a new one, because at the bottom of the basket they usually put a sticker that what it looks like, it says your name and like whatever else on it, but make sure that you remove it from the bottom of your basket and throw it away, because you don't want the next people that you bring it to see, because then they're like, oh well, she literally just brought it somewhere. If you bring your clothes somewhere and they don't take them, don't feel discouraged, because the next time that you bring them in, somebody will take them 100%. You'll end up leaving with $5, or you could leave with like 60 to freaking 100. It just honestly depends on the people. Don't feel discouraged. Go to another one or go a different day when another person's working, and you will definitely sell your clothes. If you guys are interested, I will post the pictures so you guys can check those out or buy my clothes, and I will definitely send you guys some goodies. The package, this is the Brandy Melville tank top. It has like little buttons going down the middle. You can undo those. And this is size small. I have this Loyola Ramblers sweater, Supreme hoodie. I have these American Eagle jeans. They are a size 0. I'll definitely put the link to my Instagram below so you guys can go check that out, my thrifting page. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. We really appreciate it.
If you guys have any video suggestions for us, just leave it in the comments below and we'll do some. Bye.
My shirt, what she need? I'ma need my shirt back.